Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can pay with your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Yes, you can pay with it, so you can either use the Samsung Wallet app, which is on the phone, but you need to be logged into Samsung account in order to use it. And then after you open it, you'll be able to just add your card by either taking a photo of it or by just entering the details manually. Then you'll confirm with your bank via SMS, phone call, or the bank app, and you'll be able to just tap your phone to the reader and it'll pay with it, but it has to be unlocked while you're doing that. And if you don't want to use the Samsung app because you don't want to log into the Samsung account, then go to Play Store. I'm gonna just quickly confirm it. Then search for Google Wallet, because you can use Google Wallet or Google Pay instead of the Samsung Wallet. And now while it's being installed, we can already head to the settings where we'll change the default wallet app. So let's go to the apps, then default apps, wallet app, and set it to Google Wallet. Now you can just open the Google Wallet app, and then you can click on add to wallet, payment card. Then you can take a picture of it or enter details manually as well. Then you'll just read this message, click on save and continue, and you'll verify with your bank via SMS, phone call, or app as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.